Hi, I'm Renata, English teacher. I'm here again to talk about some greetings in English. There are many common ones like hello, hi, hey, how are you? How are you doing? How are you? The traditional answer most people give is I'm fine. But you can say I'm good, I'm okay. How are you doing? I'm doing okay, I'm doing fine. But there is a more informal greeting most people use with their friends. This one is, what's up? So the first time I listened to this greeting, I was like, how am I gonna answer to that? I can't say I'm good. What's up? The traditional answer is nothing much or not much, but I am working a lot. Or not much, but I've been posting videos on my YouTube and TikTok account. So you can say not much and add some information about what you have been doing. So that's a very popular greeting among friends. Don't use it in formal situations, okay? It's an informal way of greeting people. Bye bye. See you in my next video.